Did you know that whale sharks are the largest fish species in the world? They can grow up to a staggering length of about 40 feet or 12 meters and can weigh up to 20 tons. Despite their name, whale sharks are not whales. They are actually a species of shark, belonging to the family Rhynchodontidae. Whale sharks are filter feeders, meaning they primarily feed on tiny plankton, krill, and small fish. They swim slowly with their mouths open, allowing large volumes of water to flow in. They filter out their food through special sieve-like structures called gill rockers. Their mouths are enormous, reaching up to 4.9 feet or 1.5 meters wide. This allows them to take in vast amounts of water and filter out the microscopic food they feed on. But